If you want to get best hand sanitizer, according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Babyganics hand sanitizer. Babyganics hand sanitizer is a great option for parents looking for a safe and effective way to keep their little ones' hands clean. This sanitizer is formulated without harsh chemicals, making it gentle on even the most sensitive skin. It is also free from alcohol, parabens, sulfates, phthalate, and fragrances, making it a great choice for those with allergies or skin sensitivities. The sanitizer is available in a convenient pump bottle, making it easy to use and apply. The formula is quick drying and doesn't leave any residue or stickiness on the hands. The sanitizer also contains moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E to keep hands soft and hydrated. What sets Babyganics hand sanitizer apart from other sanitizers is its efficacy. It is clinically proven to kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria, including staph, salmonella, and E. coli. This makes it an excellent choice for use in homes, schools, and public places. Overall, Babyganics hand sanitizer is a great choice for parents looking for a safe and effective way to keep their little ones' hands clean and germ-free. Its gentle formula, convenient pump bottle, and efficacy make it an excellent choice for use on the go or at home. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Everyone hand sanitizer. Everyone hand sanitizer is a top-rated hand sanitizer that is highly effective in killing germs and bacteria while being gentle on the skin. The brand prides itself on using natural, plant-based ingredients, making it a popular choice for those who prefer natural products. The sanitizer is free from harsh chemicals, including artificial fragrances, phthalate, parabens, and triclosan. The sanitizer is available in a variety of sizes, including a travel-sized spray bottle, making it convenient to use on the go. The formula is quick drying and does not leave any residue or stickiness on the skin, making it perfect for busy individuals. It contains a blend of essential oils such as peppermint, lavender, and orange that leave the hands smelling fresh and clean. Everyone hand sanitizer is highly effective in killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria, including common viruses like the flu and cold viruses. Its active ingredient is ethyl alcohol, which is a natural and safe antimicrobial agent. In addition to being effective, Everyone hand sanitizer is also gentle on the skin. The formula contains moisturizing ingredients like glycerin and aloe vera, which leave the hands feeling soft and hydrated. It is safe for use by individuals with sensitive skin, and it does not cause any irritation or dryness. In conclusion, Everyone hand sanitizer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a natural and effective hand sanitizer. Its plant-based ingredients, convenient packaging, pleasant fragrance, and moisturizing properties make it an excellent option for daily use. The number 3 position is held by FastRack hand sanitizer. FastRack hand sanitizer is a high-quality hand sanitizer that provides an effective way to kill germs and bacteria. The sanitizer is made with 70% ethyl alcohol, making it highly effective against a broad range of pathogens, including viruses and bacteria. Its fast-drying formula does not leave any sticky residue on the hands, making it convenient to use in any situation. The sanitizer comes in a spray bottle, making it easy to apply. The spray bottle also ensures that the sanitizer is used sparingly, which is a great way to save money in the long run. The formula is also fragrance-free, making it a great option for those with allergies or sensitivities. FastRack hand sanitizer is ideal for use in hospitals, schools, and other public places where cleanliness is essential. Its effectiveness in killing germs and bacteria makes it a reliable choice for anyone who wants to keep their hands clean and safe from harmful pathogens. One downside to FastRack hand sanitizer is that it can be drying on the skin, especially with frequent use. However, this is a common issue with most hand sanitizers, and the use of a moisturizer after applying the sanitizer can help alleviate this problem. Overall, FastRack hand sanitizer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a reliable and effective hand sanitizer. Its high alcohol content, convenient spray bottle, and ability to kill a broad range of pathogens make it a great option for use in any situation. Next at number 4 we have Purell hand sanitizer. Purell hand sanitizer is one of the most well-known and widely used hand sanitizers on the market. It is a highly effective hand sanitizer that kills 99.99% of germs and bacteria, making it a popular choice for use in hospitals, schools, and other public places. The formula is made with 70% ethyl alcohol, which is a safe and effective antimicrobial agent. The sanitizer is available in a variety of sizes and packaging, including a travel-sized bottle, making it convenient to use on the go. The formula is quick-drying and does not leave any residue or stickiness on the hands. It also contains moisturizing ingredients like glycerin and aloe vera to keep the hands soft and hydrated. One of the benefits of Purell hand sanitizer is that it is easy to use. The flip-top cap ensures that the sanitizer is dispensed in the right amount, which helps reduce wastage. The formula is also fragrance-free, making it a great option for those with allergies or sensitivities. One potential downside to Purell hand sanitizer is that it can be drying on the skin, especially with frequent use. However, this is a common issue with most hand sanitizers, and the use of a moisturizer after applying the sanitizer can help alleviate this problem. Overall, Purell hand sanitizer is a reliable and effective hand sanitizer that is widely used in many different settings. Its high alcohol content, convenient packaging, and ability to kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria make it a great choice for anyone who wants to keep their hands clean and safe. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by the Honest Company hand sanitizer. The Honest Company hand sanitizer is a popular and effective hand sanitizer that is made with natural, plant-based ingredients. It is free from harsh chemicals, including synthetic fragrances, parabens, and phthalate, making it a great option for those who prefer natural products. The sanitizer is made with 62% ethyl alcohol, which is a safe and effective antimicrobial agent. The formula is quick-drying and does not leave any sticky residue on the hands, making it convenient to use in any situation. It also contains moisturizing ingredients like glycerin and aloe vera to keep the hands soft and hydrated. The sanitizer is available in a convenient spray bottle, making it easy to apply and ensuring that the sanitizer is used sparingly. The Honest Company hand sanitizer has a pleasant and refreshing citrus scent, which is derived from natural essential oils. It is also cruelty-free and vegan, making it a great option for those who want to use products that are ethically and environmentally conscious. One downside to the Honest Company hand sanitizer is that it may not be as effective as some other hand sanitizers on the market. While the 62% alcohol content is sufficient to kill most germs and bacteria, it may not be as effective against some viruses. However, it is still a great option for everyday use, and its natural ingredients make it a safer choice for those with sensitive skin. Overall, the Honest Company hand sanitizer is a great option for those who prefer natural products. Its plant-based ingredients, convenient packaging, pleasant fragrance, and moisturizing properties make it an excellent option for daily use. While it may not be as effective as some other hand sanitizers, it is still a reliable choice for everyday use. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.